Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm looking at this folding scalpel knife that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. So here's a nice little metal scalpel knife. Folds out to a little bit over 5.5 inches or so. It's got these nice scalpel blades on here. Perfect for opening boxes, opening letters, arts and crafts. If you need to cut some cloth or cut some materials of some sorts, perfect for that. Folds down very nicely. Goes around on your keychain. Switching out your blades is super easy. Simply pop it up, push it forward, pull it off. You can swap out your blades, put the other one on, pops on like so. They do give you 10 spare blades, so you got some spares if you need them. It's just a great little knife here, guys. You know, it's very lightweight, it's metal design, easy to use, and perfect for your EDC. So there you have it, guys. Hope this helps.